Welcome to new video lessons of CFA Learning. Study session number 3, reading number 8, topic, Big Data Projects. Introduction to Big Data Projects. Big data or alternative data encompasses data generated by financial markets, businesses, and many other sources. Big data in investment management. Difference between big data and traditional data sources rests on 3 V's. 1. Volume, or quantity of data. 2. Variety, array of available data source. 3. Velocity, the speed at which data are created. Steps in executing a data analysis project, financial forecasting with big data. Traditional ML model building steps using structured data includes 1. Conceptualization of the modeling task. Involves determining 2. Data collection. Data used for financial forecasting is 3. Data preparation and wrangling. Includes 4. Data exploration, includes exploratory data analysis, feature selection, and feature engineering. 5. Model training, involves selecting the appropriate ML method, evaluating performance of trained models, and model tuning. Text ML model building steps include 4 steps. 1. Text problem formulation. 2. Data curation. 3. Text preparation and wrangling. 4. Text exploration. Data preparation and wrangling. External data vs internal data. External data saves time and resources. Useful when a project requires generic data. Information edge, or alpha, may be lost during the cleansing process. Internal data time-consuming and resource-intensive. Useful when a project requires internal data. Structured data. Structured data are organized in a systematic format. Possible errors in a raw dataset include 1. Incompleteness error, missing or non-present data. 2. Invalidity error, where the data are outside of a meaningful range, resulting in invalid data. 3. Inaccuracy error, is where data are not a measure of true value. 4. Inconsistency error, is where data conflicts with corresponding data points or reality. 5. Non-uniformity error, is where data is not present in an identical format. 6. Duplication error, is where duplicate observations are present. Data wrangling, pre-processing transformation processes for structured data include 1. Extraction. 2. Aggregation. 3. Filtration. 4. Selection. 5. Conversion. Outliers can be detected using standard deviation. A data value outside 3 standard deviations from the mean may be an outlier. Interquartile range, IQR difference between the 75th and 25th percentile data values. Outliers can be handled using trimming, extreme values are removed. Winsorization, extreme values are replaced. Scaling, the process of adjusting the range of a feature by shifting and adjusting the scale of data. 2 common ways of scaling include normalization, the process of rescaling numerical variables in the range of 0,1. Standardization, the process of centering and scaling the variables. Unstructured, text, data. Text processing, transforming structured data into structured data and includes 2 tasks, cleansing and pre-processing. Text preparation, cleansing, involves cleaning text to remove non-useful elements from raw data. Text cleansing process includes the following basic operations. I remove HTML tags. 2. Remove punctuations. 3. Remove numbers. 4. Remove white spaces. Normalization process in text processing includes the following steps. 1. Lowercasing the alphabet. 2. Stop words such as the, is and a. 3. Stemming, a rules-based approach for converting inflected forms of a word into its base word. 4. Lemmatization, process of converting inflected forms of a word. Bag of words, BOW, a procedure for analyzing text using a collection of a distinct set of tokens from all the texts in a simple dataset. BAO is memory efficient and easy to handle for text analyses but does not capture the position or sequence of words present in the text. Document Term Matrix, DTM. Structure of a DTM. Rows equals hashtag of documents in a sample dataset. Columns equals hashtag of tokens from the BAO that is built using all the documents in a sample dataset. Drawback of BAO, does not represent word sequences or positions, limiting its use for advanced ML training applications. How to overcome drawback of BAO, using n-grams, to build a BAO. Data exploration objectives and methods. Data exploration involves three tasks: exploratory data analysis, EDA, summarizing data. Feature selection, selecting relevant features for ML model training. Feature engineering, process of creating new features. Structured data. EDA can be performed on either one dimension with summary statistics, mean, median, quartiles, ranges, standard deviation, skewness and kurtosis. 2 dimensions with a summary statistic of relationships such as correlation matrix. Feature selection, data columns in table or matrix represent features of structured data. Feature engineering, helps to optimize and further improve the features such that they can describe the structures inherent in the dataset. Unstructured data, text exploration. EDA, it is useful to perform EDA of text data by computing term frequency on the tokens. Feature selection, involves selecting a subset of terms or tokens in the dataset which serve as features for the ML model training. Feature selection methods in text data include: 1. Frequency measures can remove noisy features by filtering tokens with high and low TF values across all texts. 2. Chi-square test, tests the independence of two events. O. Occurrence of token. O. Occurrence of class. 3. Mutual information, MI, measures how much information is contributed by a token to a class of texts. Feature engineering. Techniques include: I. Numbers. 2. N-grams. 3. Name entity recognition, NA. 4. Part of speech, POS. Model training. ML model training includes the 3 tasks which may be repeated several times until desired ML model performance is attained. Method selection. Performance evaluation. Tuning. Structured and unstructured data. A good model fit performs well and can be validated using out-of-sample data. Types of model fitting. A overfit model may generate no errors with respect to the training data and has best accuracy. It fits training data too well and is unlikely to perform on future test cases. B. Underfit model does not fit the training data well and it produces misclassification errors. C. A good fit model may fit the training data well but may not generalize well to out-of-sample data. Model fitting errors can be caused by dataset size. Small datasets may lead to underfitting as small datasets are not sufficient to expose patterns in the data. Number of features, smaller number of features can lead to underfitting. Method selection. Supervised or unsupervised learning. Supervised models bring a structure that may or may not be supported by data. Unsupervised ML modeling is challenging because of the absence of ground truth, i.e., no target variable. Type of data. 4. O. Numerical data, cart methods may be suitable. O. Text data, GLMs and SVMs are commonly used. O. Image data, neural networks and deep learning methods are better. O. Speech data, deep learning methods can offer promising results. Size of data. A dataset has 2 basic characteristics. O. Number of instances. O. Number of features. Performance evaluation. Techniques for measuring model performance include: I. Error analysis. For classification problems, error analysis involves computing 4 basic evaluation metrics. A. True positive, TP. B. False positive, FP. C. True negative, TN. D. False negative, FN. 2. receiver operating characteristic, ROC uses a plotted curve to show trade-off between the false positive rate, x-axis, and true positive rate, y-axis. 4. Various cutoff points. 3. Root mean squared error, RMSE, is appropriate for continuous data prediction. Mostly used for regression methods. Captures all the prediction errors in the data. Smaller RMSE indicates better model performance. Financial forecasting project, classifying and predicting sentiment for stocks. Robo-readers are being used to examine how views expressed in text relate to future company performance. Analyze sentiment polarity. Thank you for watching, students. We hope this information is useful to you. If you are willing to continue with these lessons, subscribe to the channel. To find more videos, quickly like and share the videos. You can also ask the question in comments, we will happy to answer.